Beat it up like.
How they change seats? How they change the seats?
Perfect.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rye here, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a requested video. Today I'm going to be reacting to types of aux cord users. Okay, while I'm editing, I just realized that it says part 3. I apologize to my subscriber. I did a reaction to part 1. I will be doing the reaction to part 3.
But tonight or not, I'm saying that I'm showing.
And it's gonna be from Loveliveserve. We're gonna get straight into the video. Alright, screen record on, and let's get it.
What's goody? It's your boy Rhino. You guys are watching Loveliveserve. Thank you for watching this video, man. Thank you for coming to the channel. If you're new, how you doing? Let us know in the comments. We're always replying back to people. We read every comment. If you've been here, you're the best. Serve Squad. Family. You read the title, types of aux cord users. This I feel like is so popular nowadays. Everybody has their own taste in music. Guys, comment your favorite artists right now, whether it be country, hip hop, reggae, alternative. Comment your favorite artists below. And let's go ahead and get right into the video. Types of aux cord users. Let's get it.
The guy who plays a weird remix.
Alright bro, here's the aux.
Oh, cool, thank you.
Let's put this on.
Bro, what is this?
What is this?
What is she? It's a cover. It's a cover.
Yo.
Bro, give me the aux.
No, wait.
Were you singing this?
Mr. Bass Overload.
Oh.
Give you that.
Bet.
Alright, smoke part.
Yeah, lean, double cup, big complaint, holy nuts. Smoking on booth and it's my weed. Sorry, bitch, I don't say sorry. I been a rover like slow.
The disappointing drop.
Oh.
Hey, boy, here we go. Oh. Hey. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Oh, snap. You just messed up the whole drop, boy.
Bro, come on, 1,000 miles.
Messed up the whole drop, bro.
Hey.
The lit one.
They both lit.
Bro, really? Can you change the song, please? You've been playing sad songs this whole drive.
Okay, jeez. Change it. It's Drake. It's Drizzy. Six God.
I've had enough.
Alright, new one.
Bro, really?
What?
I said no more sad
Mario. Alright. What's wrong with this
songs. I
one?
just can't bump to this.
Okay. Fine. I'll do something different.
Alright, you know what?
What's wrong with Neo?
I'm not saying.
You sound out.
It's Nick. Now that I'm alone, can't come to the phone. And I know it makes no sense.
Timothy.
Yo, Timothy, why don't you put someone on the aux real quick?
Can we just get there?
Timothy, come on. I wanna
Distract me.
I want to see what's on your playlist, man. Come on.
Whatever.
Well, let's see what you got, man. This should be good.
This should be good.
Cruising down the street with a freak, chopper on the seat, AK with a beam, let it eat, bust it on repeat. Nigga talking talk, but he's sweet. Had to on my heat, cruising down the street with a freak.
He put his seat back in there.
The guy from Jersey.
You up?
Oh.
Cool, thanks. I don't know if you heard the song, have you?
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Little boot of action.
The guy from Jersey, what that's supposed to mean?
Be like candles to this.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Beat it up like.
How they change seats? How does they change the seats?
Beat it up like.
The country music listener who ruins everything.
Cool, here you go.
Sweet.
Off to the mall. What the hell is this? No, turn this shit up. Turn that shit off. What the hell is this?
wrong?
What the f? Get the f out of the car. Get the f out of the car.
This is my car.
Get the f out now.
Wait, what did I do?
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Yeah, these dudes
The
hilarious.
guy who
no
puts on
cap.
some trash, but it's so trash that it's fire.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Eat this car up, man.
It's about to be a furnace in here.
So trash
You
is
always have the
fire.
best song.
Gotta take that call. They want you at work, so go do your job. Hit or miss. I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya. You play with the balls like it's FIFA.
You on every level, you're the leader. Ooh, you used to work.
The white girl who plays white girl music.
Can I please have the aux?
He like, oh no.
Please? I promise I'll play good music.
Okay, just please none of that like freaking Adele.
See the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello.
This is what I was talking about. We don't play. No.
Little do I know.
The guy who
This is
put
what I
on
was
the
talking
Daniel
about.
Bergoli song.
I don't know why he kicked me out of the car. I was just trying to play the song. It was one of her different songs, and you know, I was playing it. I was joking. It wasn't even that serious. You know, let me give it a listen. And he took my car, bro. All right, well,
He
that's
took
the
the
end of the
car.
video. Let's go to the outro. Ah. Oh, what's up, guys? Oh, I'm doing the outro. Rhino, oh, right, he took my car. Oh, well, guys, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notifications. Recently, we've been having some problems with the post notifications. It's becoming a YouTube epidemic. We don't know why they've done this, but make sure when you hit the bell, it's gonna pop up options at the bottom of your phone, and you must select options and then make sure it's selected on all. Because for some reason, if you hit the bell, it'll only notify you for certain things
Yeah,
about the channel. So you wanna make sure that
occasionally,
the
you
all
gotta hit the
button is
bell.
selected so that you will never miss an upload from Loveliveserve, your favorite YouTubers.
Most underrated.
Most underrated out there. Yes, sir. And even if you don't get an upload, just know that we upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4:30 p.m. Eastern time. So that's when you guys can come back
Need
and
to get
expect
on my
any fire
schedule,
videos,
right?
so that way you won't miss one. All right, well, that's all we got today. I'm gonna end the video with the Surf Squad member of the day and the funniest comment from last video. So we'll catch you next time. Peace.
That's what's up. Go subscribe to their channel if you haven't already. Most likely you already have, because I have. So that was a requested video.
You figured me out. You got me red-handed. Like tonight or not, I'm saying that I'm showing.
Section. Smash the crap out of the like button if you like the video. Subscribe and holla at me.